And last but not least, example number 11. A walkway of uniform width has area 72 meters squared and surrounds a swimming pool that is 8 meters wide and 10 meters long. Find the width of the walkway. So first we need to understand the problem. We have, I'll use blue, we have a swimming pool right here. And there's our little swimming pool. And it is 8 by 10. So it's 8 by 10. And then we have a walkway around it. And when they say a walkway of uniform width, that just means this walkway here, the distance from here to here is x, here to here is x, here to here is x, and here to here is x, just like in the one above it. So it says the walkway has an area of 72 meters squared. So what they're talking about when they say the area of the walkway, they actually just mean this part I'm highlighting in yellow. So what do we know about that area in there? Well, not a whole lot just yet. What do we know about this? We know that the area of the pool, right, the area of the pool is 10 times 8, so it's 80, right? And we know that the area of the walkway, right, which is what is in the box, right, that part of it, is 72. So the whole area is 152. So when I say the whole area, I mean the whole thing, both the inside here and the outside, that's 152. So if the area of the pool plus the area of the walkway equals the whole thing, well, what is this? The whole thing here is x plus 10 plus x, so 10 plus 2x. And then this way it would be 8 plus 2x. Since we know the area of the whole thing, we needed the length and the width of the whole thing. So now our equation is 10 plus 2x times 8 plus 2x equals 152. So we have 80 plus 20x plus 16x plus 4x squared equals 152. 4x squared plus 36x minus 72 equals 0. I just subtracted the 152 at the same time that I combined my like terms on the left-hand side. So hopefully that didn't confuse anyone. And now we are going to solve this, but I'm going to divide everything by 4. So when I divide everything by 4, I end up with this. And at first, when you look at it, you think it factors because you think, oh, 6 and 3 makes 9, but your signs have to be opposite, so you actually have to use the quadratic formula. And remember, this 4 means nothing because I can just divide both sides by 4 and it's gone. So I just have x squared plus 9x minus 18 equals 0. So we have negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 9 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 18 all over 2 times 1. And then what do I get here? I have negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 plus 72 over 2, which is negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 153 over 2. And you could plug in both of them, right? You could do the positive and the negative. Sorry, I ran out of room. I'm just going to go over there and do negative 9 plus the square root of 153 over 2. The reason I'm not going to do the minus is because then I'm going to get a negative number, and we know that the walkway can't be a negative. So I'm going to plug that into my calculator. I've been doing it so that I hit enter after each one, or after the first thing, but what you can do is just put the first part in parentheses, negative 9 plus the square root of 153, and then end those parentheses and divide by 2, and you'll get the same answer as if you hit enter after you did the first two things. So your answer is approximately 1.68, and that's x. And what is x? X is the width of the walkway. When they say the width of the walkway, this is important. They don't mean this. They don't mean this length here. This is the width of the walkway. The width of the walkway is how wide is it. Think about a pool and your deck around the pool. They want to know how wide that is. And there we go. That's the answer. So this was 1.68 meters. And now you can start your